Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is Catherine Vargas and today we're going to be doing this eye look right here. So I did use the Morphe 35D palette. I am so late. I know I got a request from this like when it first came out, but I finally got my hands on it and I'm low-key obsessed with this look right here. It's so pretty, so I'm so excited to show you guys. It's been a while since I actually sit down and filmed, so I'm hoping my next video is going to be a haul as well because I did get a new products. But yeah, so today's look is gonna be this look. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into this video.
So I'm starting off by taking the shade Rich Clay and I am building this shade up on my crease. As you can see here, it's just light, but I'm just building it until I'm happy with how dark it is. Then the next shade I'm taking is the shade Midnight Bloom, and I'm going to start building this underneath that Rich Clay shade. It's going to make a nice dark purple. Now to blend out the Rich Clay, I'm going in with Cactus Fruit, and I'm using a more fluffier brush, and I'm just going to start smoking this look out using that shade. Then I'm just going back into those two shades that we used and making sure that everything's nice blended into one another and just building up the intensity again. Now I'm going to take some micellar water with a Q-tip and just start creating that half cut crease. This makes it so much easier. I basically just did it with the Q-tip, so now I just have to follow the line that I did. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Cosmetics 16-hour camo and just filling in the space. So I just kept how I did it here, and then I'm just patting down the concealer because you really want to make sure that this is nice and it dried down. Now I'm taking these two shades right here. It's called High Moon and All Sun. I'm taking High Moon first and putting that on the inner, and then All Sun and putting that on the outer part of the cut crease, and then making sure that they are blended into one another. Now taking two more shades, I'm going in with Mud Mask and Plant Zaddy. I'm putting this right at the edge of that cut crease because I thought there was a little bit of a harsh line, but then I decided that I wanted to go with a little bit of pink, so I took Cactus Fruit and also put that on top, and then made sure that everything was blended with Midnight Bloom. Now I did some lashes off camera, time to work on the face. I'm using the Acne Putty Primer and I'm going to go ahead and massage it into my skin. I do have a little bit of pimples on my face right now, so I wanted to see how it worked, but I didn't think it was as good as my Professional when it comes to pores, so I went in with that as well. Now I'm taking the Born This Way foundation, and this one's in Warm Beige. I'm usually a golden beige, but they didn't have it, so I went with this one. And I don't know, guys, what do you guys think? I feel like it's too warm, like it's more on the orangey side than yellow, which is what I am. So, but anyways, whatever, I went with that. Then I'm taking my Persona multi-stick bronzer in the shade Sahara. You guys know I've been loving this lately. It blends so easily. I've been using it on or in my previous videos, and yeah, I've really been liking this bronzer. And I do love the shade that I picked out. I feel like it's just perfect for how tan I am now. Now for concealer, I am taking the Rare Beauty in 230N, applying that to my under eyes, forehead, nose, and chin. This is another product that I've kind of been talking about lately, but I do have a new concealer to test out, so hopefully that will be in my next video. But for now, I went ahead and used this one, and I like this one too. I like it so much. I feel like it gives me a nice under eye look. Then I decided to go ahead and switch up the powder. I'm taking the One Size by Patrick Starr, and I like to press the powder in, so I like to go in sections, and as you can see here, it really makes my face matte compared to the other side that I showed, and I feel like it does do a good job at blurring your pores as well and just creating that nice, very flawless finish. So I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a good powder. I was gonna say bronzer, but powder. For a bronzer, I'm taking my Essence bronzer, just using the first 2 shades, and I don't know if there was something on my brush, but I feel like it came out reddish, but I'm pretty sure there was blush on my brush or something like that. So it just came out a little red, but I decided to go ahead and use the Milani Luminoso blush here, and I feel like at the end it just worked together. Hopefully it just looks better, thank God. I was a little bit worried that I was gonna mess up my look. Now I'm taking some powder and just carving out that bronzer and blush. And now we are going to work on the bottom lash line. So taking a rich clay first, and I'm making sure that I am applying a couple layers, making sure it's nice and intensified here, guys. Then I'm going in with the black, which is Midnight Bloom, and just keeping that really close to the lash line as possible. Then I went in with a more fluffier brush and going in with that last shade, which is Cactus Fruit, and just blending everything out. Then I took High Moon and making sure that that is put like in the inner corner. I feel like that just gave it a nice little pop there. Now I'm just taking the LA Girl Shockwave liner and Screamin', applying that to my waterline. I had to get so close to the mirror, guys, like it's not even funny. And now for lip liner, I'm taking the KKW New No. 2 lip liner, and then I finished it off by applying a butter gloss by NYX Cosmetics. This is in the shade Fortune Cookie, and that will complete the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.